Have you ever looked in the mirror and suddenly startled? When you see wrinkles, age spots, dry, dull skin, as if reminding you that youth is gradually slipping away? Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. You have tried all kinds of creams, taken so many collagen pills, but your skin is still not as smooth as before. If you know the skincare secret from Japan, where women in their 70s still maintain plump, bright, healthy, and vibrant skin. Today, I'm going to share with you an all-natural method that requires no expensive cosmetics, no complicated procedures, just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. This method not only helps restore sagging skin, erase wrinkles, but also restores the radiance and confidence of your 20s. This is a Japanese skincare trick that is loved by many people because it can revive your skin, even when you're in your 70s. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Our main ingredient today is aloe vera, a wonderful gift from nature. Put aloe vera in a cup of clean water to remove all the aloe vera sap. Aloe vera helps regenerate skin, soothe inflammation, and restore skin structure from deep within. Method 1. First, cut off the sharp part. Separate the clear gel flesh of the aloe vera. This is the heart filled with nutrients. Using a knife, gently separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. After separating one side, I use a spoon to scrape out the clear gel, the precious essence of aloe vera. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Do this repeatedly until all the leaves are used up. Keep the gel and put it in a small bowl. As for the aloe vera skin, don't throw it away because it will help us create a magical soaking solution. Cut the aloe vera skin into small pieces. Put in a glass jar. Prepare washed basil leaves, put in mortar and pound until smooth. Add crushed basil leaves to the aloe vera skin glass. Then pour in 200 milliliters of natural vinegar. Mix well. And close the jar tightly. Then cover the jar with a thin cloth. Let this mixture rest for 21 days in a cool, dark place. In the meantime, we will continue making the aloe vera lotion. It's very simple. Just put this gel in a blender and blend it. Pour gel into a cup. Mix fresh aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of lemon juice, and a few drops of vitamin E. Stir well until the mixture becomes smooth. Every night, just gently apply to skin and massage. You will feel soft, moist, and naturally bright skin. Store in a glass jar and keep in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks, and you have a wonderful natural moisturizer. After 21 days, your aloe vera vinegar solution is ready. This solution can be applied to the wrists, veins, knees, or areas where the skin is weak. It helps blood circulation, soothes, and restores the skin. You can also use it during your daily massage or apply it to your hair and scalp to help strengthen and smooth your hair. As long as kept in a cool place, this solution can be used for up to 6 months. Method 2. I cut a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Prepare 1 cup of clean water and add aloe vera. Soak aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, aloe vera will secrete yellow resin. Then wash the aloe vera under running water. Aloe vera is a perfect moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. It also reduces shine in oily and combination skin and is anti-inflammatory. Write in the comments which country and city you are watching my video. Cut off the sharp thorns on the sides of the leaves. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Cut off the sharp thorns on the sides of the leaves. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Next, put the aloe vera in a blender to puree. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains skin moisture balance. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Put aloe vera in a clean, dry glass jar. Add a pinch of sea salt to each jar. Sea salt helps improve blood circulation and heals cuts and wounds. 5 drops of iodine. Iodine dissolves tissue proteins and is great for treating skin wounds. Stir the mixture well. Leave in a cool, dark place for 7 days. This is the result after 7 days. Apply this ointment to the joints every night. Wrap with plastic wrap and leave overnight. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Store in refrigerator for up to 3 months. The next morning, rinse with warm water and apply another moisturizer. This mixture is especially effective when used to massage hands, areas with varicose veins or joint pain. You will see changes in your body after a while of being consistent, and your body will thank you for it. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments section and like to motivate me to share more great tips. Thanks, my friends! Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better one, let me know. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what keeps me going and keeps me sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Wishing you health, happiness, and peace.